I am talking to a soul that sacrificed everything they had in the name of the truth, the love, and the light, in the name of their mission, for the sake of their soul growth. Just because you surrendered a long, long time ago, just because you're so devoted to the Most High, fulfilling the mission. I keep hearing fulfilling the mission, the path, the light worker, the chosen, the shaman path. Today, you're going to have it all just because of your faith. Your faith was your initiation since day one. You surrendered. That is the quest I'm hearing. The quest is fulfilled. It's as if you literally got with the full moon that just happened. It came to illuminate something within you. It was a massive test, a massive challenge, and it came to illuminate the karmic, the choice you used to make over and over and over again that led to scarcity, I'm hearing. And this was printed into your DNA. Misconception. For some reason, you decided to do different, and this is leading to excellence, mastery, self-renewal, and low vibrational energy cannot penetrate your system. You cannot make this up. This is the simulation. This is the matrix. This is the end of the game, because when you master this last key, this last level of the game, you understand it all. You understand why, again, you always made a choice that led to failure. And you decided to trust the process, and again to sacrifice something that ultimately will lead you to so much success and abundance. You see, they're pointing me to when you blind. You see, when you blind, literally, it's when you keep repeating these scenarios over and over and over again. God, you just did something different. You took your power back. You took your power back. You just did something. Again, it's different. It's the choice that takes courage and bravery. You decided to go for something else. And this is rearranging, redirecting your entire path. Rearranging the whole process of your incarnation right now. This is massive. This is huge. This is huge. This is huge. I cannot make this up. This is sun energy. This is being enthusiastic. This is, I'm hearing, putting so much joy into your soul, because you're not going to do the same experience. It's not mistakes. It's experience that leads to breakthrough. And now this is also connected to self-love. There is something that you used to do. You just freed your throat chakra. Yeah. You out there, you're destined, you see, and this is like 5 also is very divine number. It's like protection, and you're like blessed, literally, and your enterprise is blessed, your business, your money, everything, entrepreneurship. I'm hearing you, money starts falling in love with you because of this choice you just made. you're more safe, you're safer for money. It's safer for money to come into your life. You see, before, a lot of, it's as if before a part of your soul, I just saw a bee coming here and there's a lot of wind, so that's crazy. It was a massive bee. So you see, bee again, it's enterprise and business and building day after day. Commitment, I'm hearing, discipline. Wow, you're committed to yourself right now, and this is again regarding to self-love. This is the most powerful. Thank you for the confirmation on my phone. You're going to build empire. I'm talking to you. 555 on the screen. Massive end of cycle, massive change due to this choice. God protected you, I'm hearing. You could have like made, I'll say, the wrong choice, even if nothing is really wrong or right, but this, you were really protected. You were really protecting. And this is boosting your path. This is accelerating your path. This is accelerating your gift. This is a massive gift. I cannot make this up. You're about to reap it all. Just because you sacrificed, but you thought it was a sacrifice, but it's not. It's just a proof of self-worth. Again, this is massive. This is 10. End of chapter. Again, this is you starting to be organized. You start organizing your finances. You're not giving your power to others. You're not giving them the power to take what's yours, and that's taking your power back. This is connecting to the Sphinx energy. This is taking your money back, your abundance, your wealth, everything that has been stolen from you without your consent and permission. If you want to do that, also check my website. Exaltation. You're going to get a lot from that decision. You're going to get a lot from that decision, a lot of abundance. This is birthing a new way of living. Again, I'm hearing money is safe with you now. Balance, energy, your balance. Cannot make this up because you did a choice. You did a choice. And I'm hearing for some of you, you did the choice regarding the readings and the energy, collective energy right now. You did the choice to embody your polarity. You might be a divine feminine, you just surrendered to the divine masculine, trusting. And this is healing your divine masculine from within. Trusting that the divine masculine is going to provide security, material abundance, and you're going to take care of yourself because this is what God's want. Very powerful energy. Someone out there just had a massive Kundalini awakening. You're just realizing your self-worth, your power, inheritance, I'm hearing. And I cannot make this up. You're going to be very happy. There is money on the way. And this money, yeah, you see, you're not going to spend it like you used to spend it before. And again, this is going to lead to more and more because money feels safe around you. I cannot make this up. And this is extremely, extremely protected. This is extremely, extremely protected. This is actually very beautiful. You have the Strength card, and this is very sunny energy. You just beat the odds. It was a big choice to make, and you made it just because you're so powerful. You're so strong, so courageous, and you can be proud of you. I'm sending you so much love right now. May you be blessed for eternity. Until next time, namaste.